Hey guys, Ethan at Patriot Acura, and I'm here with the RDX Aspec Adv, and I'm going to show you some secrets that you probably didn't know on this car. First secret's going to be in the trunk. Right here, you can lift this guy up. Extra storage. Second secret, lift it up again. Extra storage for your tennis rackets, pickleball paddles, any of that jazz. In here is your spare tire kit. You might not know where that had been, but that's where it is. My second secret in the RDX is the detachable glove box compartment here. This comes out just in case you need some extra space where you can double stack your owner's manuals. Third secret in the RDX is this little camera button right here. Press that and it's going to pick up your front view camera of the vehicle. So if you're trying to park somewhere really close, get to that car right there, you'll get really close where you can see. Well, now it's not a secret anymore, is it? Because I just told you my secrets on the RDX. Come back to Patriot Acura for more videos.